Good morning, friends. Let us begin our chapter number 8, Algebraic Expression and Identities. Here, the first thing we want to discuss is what is expression. In mathematics, an algebraic expression is an expression built up from integer, constant, variables, and algebraic operations addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponential by an exponent that is a rational numbers. So what does it means? Here there is a combination of integer constant and variables and together forms an algebraic expression. And here in this algebraic expression we find some numeric numbers and variables also, and they are separated by addition, subtraction, such types of operations. And we also do many more other operations with these algebraic expressions like multiplication and division. Here we find that variable and constant. One of the basic characteristics of algebra is to use letters or a combination of letters to represent numbers. The letters used to represent numbers are called variables, and the numbers themselves are termed as constant. What does it mean? Suppose these variables and constant. Variable means unknown numbers. As we have learned in our standard 6th and 7th, unknown numbers. So unknown numbers means the numbers which are not known to us. So that type of numbers we present it or represent it by variables, that is small cap of English alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G till Z. So whichever alphabet we like, we can use as a variable for it. So variable and combination of letters and numbers. So constant numbers means fixed value numbers and letters English alphabet together forms a term. The letter used to represent numbers are called variables and the numbers themselves are termed as constant. The fixed value numbers are called constant and unknown numbers are represented by variables and they are known as variables. Here, algebraic expression, terms and coefficient. Algebraic expressions are formed by using variable, constant and operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. A collection of letters called variables and real numbers are called constant. They are combined using the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, except 0 is called algebraic expression. Here friends, we proceed further. Now, the term of algebraic expressions are those parts that are separated by the operation of addition and subtraction. Suppose, for example, we take the algebraic expression given over here, that is x square minus 3x plus 9. So these three terms are there, are separated by addition and subtraction sign. You find it over here. So total in all there are three terms, that is x square is a separate term, then 3x minus 3x is also a separate term and 9 is also a separate term, but they are separated by the addition and subtraction sign. The term x square and minus 3x are variable type of expression and 9 is a constant term. So x square and minus 3x are variable term and 9 is a constant term. The numerical factor of the variable term is called coefficient of the variable term. Means here we see and this here we see. So x square and minus 3x, we find this variable term is having some fixed constant number and this constant number is named as coefficient of the variable term. Here you find that minus 3x, here minus 3 is known as coefficient of the term, and the coefficient of the variable term x square, where nothing is given, only x square is given, no fixed constant number, then it means it is 1. So wherever you find a number or variable term is not given with any coefficient, it means it is 1. If suppose minus x square, so it coefficient will be minus 1. Concept clear? Now value of algebraic expression means whenever such algebraic expressions are given, we just evaluate. An expression, algebraic expression, takes on a numerical value whenever each variable in these expressions is replaced by real numbers. For example, if we take that this is an expression, what we want to take, 2x plus 3y. Okay, and here the value of x is replaced by 5 and y is replaced by 7. Now this expression clarifies that 2 is multiplied with x, then it's added plus sign, then 3 is multiplied by y. So 2x multiplied by x and 3y means 3 multiplied by y. Now the value of variable is 5 replaced by real numbers and 7 is for y. So 2 5s are 10 and 3 7s are 21, and in all the summation of these two it gives us 31. So 31 is the value of the algebraic expression. Does it remain always this 31 value for this particular expression 2x plus 3y? No. Why? Because if the value of x is replaced by any other number and y is replaced by some other number, other real number, definitely this value is going to change for this particular algebraic expression. As the variable's value changes, definitely the value of expressions also changes. We can say that 2x plus 3y has value 31 when x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 7. This process is called evaluating algebraic expression. Types of algebraic expression. We find that 2x square, so 2 constant number x variable and 2 is power. So 2x square is a single term, no other sum or plus or minus sign and then anything. So it is a single term, then we call it monomial. Here 2x square plus 4y. So sir, we cannot add this to? No. Why? That we will learn later. 2x square plus 4y. This and plus sign is between, so one term and two term, that means binomial, and this is two term. Here we find polynomial 2x square plus 4y plus 9. So this is separate, and this one is also separate. So three different terms with addition or subtraction sign in between them. So three terms means trinomial. We learn something deeply about this monomial. An algebraic expression is a monomial if it contains a single term whose variable have only non-negative integer exponent. Non-negative means positive integer exponent. Positive integer exponent. Non-negative matlab positive. For example, 5x is a single term. Minus 6xy square, again it's comma separates कर रहे हैं तो ये single term. This is also single term. This 7a raised to 3bc, this is also separate term. Whereas 7 upon x, 1 upon y, 3x square y, here these are not integers. These come down under fraction form. Clear? Are not monomials. Binomials and trinomials. So algebraic expression with exactly two terms are called binomials. 2x plus 3y. So 2x and 3y are two separate terms. Then here, comma, and 7a plus 11b. So a and b are separate terms. So 7a plus 11b, two terms. So it is binomial. Algebraic expression with exactly three terms are called trinomials. For example, x square plus yz plus 345, 1, 2 and 3. They are called trinomials. Clear? And ABC trinomials and 24x square plus y, 31y plus 91 is also a trinomial. We learn something new about polynomials in the next lecture.